Here. 1, 2, 3.
Good job. Okay, are you excited?
Yeah.
Say yes.
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Say yes.
Yes.
Hi, I'm Stephanie and I am with Mommy and Me Portrait Studios, and welcome back to our kid video series where you come to create, imagine, and discover. And I am here with my 2.5-year-old. Can you tell them your name? Say, my name is James.
After name James.
James, I'm James.
After.
And today we're going to do a little experiment. So this is a fun task for 2.5-year-olds, obviously, since we're going to be doing it with my baby. And if you have older kids, you can even explain some of the science behind it. But we'll get back to that after we start making them. We're going to be making these Fizzy Blocks today, and I'm super excited. So we're going to get down with our ingredients first. What you need is 1 cup of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of clear gelatin, a 1/4 cup of water, food coloring, ice tray, and white vinegar. Are you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So first things up, you're going to put your cup of baking soda into the bowl. Can you dump this in the bowl for me? Oh, good job. Oh, shake your fingers in there. Go like this, boop, boop, boop. Good job. Okay, then we're going to mix in our clear gelatin. Can you dump this in there? Dump it in there. Boop. There you go. Okay, and before we add anything else, we're just gonna kind of mix that around. Make sure that it's fairly dispersed in there. You wanna mix it? You wanna mix it? Mix, mix, mix. Sorry, mix, mix, mix. Okay, put this down for now. All right, the next step is our water. But before we add our water, we're going to add our coloring. It's easier if you add the coloring straight into the water first before putting it into the mix. So we have to pick a color. Let go of the water, let go of the bowl. Can you pick one of these colors for me? What color do you want? Just one? You want the yellow?
Blue.
You want blue? Okay, we can do blue. So we're gonna do the blue color. Are you ready? Watch the water, it's gonna change colors. Ready? Boop, boop, boop. Okay, now can you use the spoon to stir it? Use the spoon to stir it. There you go, good job. Okay, is it all mixed? You think so? Okay, so now we're going to pour it into this. Can you pour it? Pour it with Mommy. Yay, good job.
Yeah.
All right, and now we're gonna mix this in. And it will get a little tough, but that's the whole point of our project. Do you see it changing colors? What color is it?
Blue.
Blue, and what else? Because it's a little white now too, huh? Can you say white?
White.
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 Okay. When you get to this point that it's super, super tough, we're going to go ahead and grab a fork to mix it up because it makes it a little bit easier. Okay, once the color and the water is evenly dispersed through everything, next up is our task for the ice tray. You ready to put it in the ice tray? Okay. Doop, 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 doop. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this inside of our ice molds. We decided to get a fun one because we thought it would be really cool to have stars. Okay, so can you grab a little bit? Once we are fully packed in, we are then going to put it in the freezer, and it's best to freeze it overnight. Okay, so now are we ready to see why we made these stars? We get to see Fizzy Stars. So we're going to pull out our glasses, and you get to pick 3 of these, baby. Can you pick one? Grab one and put it in the cup. And grab one and put it in this cup. And grab another one and put it in this cup. Are you ready? We're gonna see the reaction of vinegar and baking soda. And now if your kids are older, you get to explain to them why we're gonna have the reaction we do. And that's because baking soda is the most basic on the acidic and basic scale that you can get, and vinegar is the highest. And so it tries to work really hard to get back to that neutral 7 in the middle of that basic scale. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta watch. You ready? Watch. Isn't that cool? Oh,
It's cool.
that's cool. Yeah. So it's a fun, easy experiment for your kids to do. You can enjoy it from even the young age of 2.5, or even up into like junior high, even high school if they're starting to learn some of the basic scale, the acidity and basic scale. So I hope you guys had fun. I hope you guys will join us next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and push that little bell down there if you'd like to see more. Thank you guys so much. Bye.